What's up guys, my name is Sway from David Loud, and today we're going to be talking about subwoofers, head units, and amplifiers. So here we got our display wall. It gives us all the different options of head units that we have here at David Loud. This wall shows you more budget-friendly products, such as the Kenwood Exelon and the Sundown Audio E-Series. So if you're looking for a custom enclosure for your truck, we have 6.5 Sundown Audio SA series up there. Here are two different head units that we offer here at David Loud. One's a Pioneer single din and one's a Kenwood double din. So most cars, you can put a double din in. So to install your subwoofers, you will need a wiring amp kit and also an amplifier. Here at David Loud, we offer 3 different financing options: Preferred, ACEMA, and SNAP. So all of these 3 payment options give you 90 days with no interest. To apply, all you need is a Social Security and a bank account. Now, one discount we do offer is a 10% military discount. Once again, my name is Sway. Come check me out at David Loud Car Audio.